this is Jennifer with the New Home Experts, and today we are out at 215 in Decatur. We're actually checking out a pretty cool new place called Patio Coffee. Peter and I actually just split a unicorn twisty, which was an insane amount of sugar. But so now I'm drinking caffeine, so we'll see how that goes. But we're out here today. We're going to be looking at a brand new home community. It's going to be KB Homes. It's not too far from here, about 10 minutes away. So let's get started right now. So if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about new homes here in Las Vegas, then go ahead and subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can be in the know every time we drop a new video about new homes here in Las Vegas. We get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you looking to make a move to Las Vegas, and we would love to help you make that transition to Las Vegas. Hi again, this is Jennifer at the New Home Experts. We were just out at Pikey's Coffee. We're about 10 minutes away right now, and we are in a beautiful new KB community. It's called Belcarra, and they have 7 floor plans here that will be gated, and the HOA is just $59 a month. They're building 128 homes total, but they are near completion. We are standing in apparently their most popular floor plan and the largest floor plan, which is 2469 square feet. They do have this floor plan that would be available for an April move-in, priced in the mid 500s, and that would be all completed and ready for move-in again in April. Let's go take a look around. So this particular floor plan that we're standing in is also a 2-story, 1998 square feet. All in, with all of your upgrades and everything, they do again have homes that would be ready for April move-in, and you're priced, by the time you put in all your upgrades, are going to be in the low 500s. Their starting prices for this home is in the mid 4s. I love this. I think the way they did this kitchen is just gorgeous. Let's go upstairs. So, okay, so here you have got a nice size loft and your primary bedroom. Nice size bathroom, actually. Could take a look in that. And then your laundry is up here. And then you have your additional bedrooms over here. So this one's super cute. And this one has its own little walk-in closet. And then over here, you do have an additional 2 bedrooms. And they each share that bathroom. So hey, look at this little guy we have. Hi. Look at him, he's so cute. Hi, you're so cute. So for just under 2,000 square feet, this is a great, you're not gonna show my little body here? What's that? Bye. For just under 2,000 square feet, this is a great use of space. It is all about the floor plan, and this is a great floor plan if you need 4 bedrooms and want to keep under, if you want to stay around 500,000. Let's go take a look at the single story. So now we're standing in the smallest floor plan that they have out here. It's just over 1,200 square feet. It is built as a single story. It can be 2 or 3 bedrooms. This one is done as modeled as a 3 bedroom. I love this. I think this is so cute. And if you don't really need a lot of space, this could definitely be a great house for you. They start in the very low 400, so just over 400,000 starting prices. By the time you put in all of your upgrades, you're probably looking to be in the mid 400s. But again, if you don't need a lot of space and would love a single story out here in the Southwest, this is just a super cute home. Nice and open. You've got your great room here. You've got a nice little breakfast bar here. And then I love the little outdoor patio that you have. Really nice. And again, for not a lot of square footage, I feel like it feels pretty spacious. You do get pretty high ceiling. And then this would be your primary bedroom here. And you have your bathroom. And then your walk-in closet over here. And then you have the 2 additional bedrooms on the side. And the way this bedroom over here is done, I kind of like this. Got the bedroom. And then you have this little area here, which I think is clever. They set this up as like a study. And I think it does depend on elevation, but you have a pretty good sized walk-in closet for a secondary bedroom. And then these 2 bedrooms that we have over here would share a bathroom. And then of course your laundry is over here as well. So you've got your laundry, you've got a nice little closet in here with 1 jacket. And this one, of course, they have it done as a study, but this could also be obviously a 3rd bedroom. So there is some great opportunities out here in the Southwest for brand new homes. There is another community across the street from us that's a little bit larger. That is an American West community. That again is just across the street over here. There is tons and tons of new construction here in the southwest of Las Vegas. For more information on this particular community, Belcarra, out here in the Southwest, please visit our blog at thenewhomeexperts.com. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.